All right, so we took down the trees, which need to be taken down because we got to be able to get things through there. You wonder why I dug them up and pulled them out with a tractor. I didn't want to leave any stumps. And with pine trees, even with my little tractor, you can get away with that. Hey everybody, my name's Mitch.
My name is James.
You're watching Clark's Homestead Adventures. It's cold, can you tell? I'm bundled up, I've been outside. Somebody's been inside most of the day, but he has been working in here. Well, I can't wait to show you what we got. Other than the fact we're freezing. But everybody just sit back, buckle up, grab a sled, because you can use it here shortly. We hadn't showed you the mud hole in a while, so here it is. It actually has a little water in it, like maybe an inch. What do you think about the mud hole? So I think what we're going to do is actually fill this in. And there's a place back here on our property that water stands quite a bit. So I think we're going to dig the pond there because I think we'll have better success. And it has a drainage into it where water will actually run into it pretty regular. Anyway, that's kind of our day today. It was really cold this morning. Things were froze up. Gotta love Texas. Its weather's always on cracks. And we're being stopped. right, so we took down the trees, which need to be taken down because we got to be able to get things through there. You wonder why I dug them up and pulled them out with a tractor. I didn't want to leave any stumps. And with pine trees, even with my little tractor, you can get away with that. So I didn't want any stumps. But anyway, show you what we're doing. We recycle here as much as possible. Goats like roughage, and they love pine trees.
Even the babies are eating on them.
Yeah, even the babies are eating on them. They use them as jungle gyms.
Cut that one where they can jump up on it.
And then when they're done cleaning them up, we'll take all the branches off of them. We'll actually use these logs for some kind of construction project. Who knows? We might even build a cabin. You never know with us.
There's a goat inside the tree.
I see it. This is what's funny, is watching them on the trunks. I think we may wind up making a goat play deal out of the trunks. Well, it's below freezing and raining, which doesn't make for a good combination. Wind's blowing, the wind chill's pretty good. We've had a cold snap come through, but luckily, unlike at my parents' house and my friends up north back in Paris, they got ice on the ground already and a lot of sleet. So I had to do some laundry today. That's why you're gonna hear a generator. Run our dryer off the generator. Look in on the goats real quick. Oh yeah, no tree. That tree's gone. Trees, I should say. Let me look in on the goats. Everybody's in the warm. Everybody's in the barn nice and warm. Dogs got water. They're fed. They've been in the barn with me out in the shop. So everybody stay warm. It's cold. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. We had a lot of fun out here. We're making some more improvements on the place and some different stuff. So hope everybody stays warm. God bless you. James, what would you like to say?
Like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell.
All right, everybody, live life. Even if you're cold, live life. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.